Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon Yeti. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Yeti, let's begin right here at the face. So I'm going to begin by making a couple little bumps right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. I'm going to bring this around. We're going to come up and then back over here. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then over here, I'm going to do the same thing, make a circle. I'm going to make a small circle towards the top, and I'm going to color in the rest of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now for the mouth, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across. I'm going to make this line come down and then over. Now for the teeth, I'm going to make a big point here, and then a couple smaller ones, and then another big one here. Then I'm going to make a couple small points right here. We'll do a bump for the tongue, and then a little line down. And then we can just color in the rest of this. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape for an eyebrow, and then another little rectangle shape for an eyebrow. I'm also going to make two little dots for a nose. Up here, let's make a couple little triangle shapes. Then we're going to bring this line out, and we're going to make a couple little points. And we'll do the same thing over here. Bring this over and down with a few little points. We'll make a couple little points here, and then we'll just connect it. Now, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and then back in for a horn, and then same thing here, out and back in. Then let's draw a couple little lines across for some detail. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come down with some points, and then we'll bring this down here. I want to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down with a couple little points, and I'm going to curve it in. I want to make some little bumps across here. And then over here, I'm going to leave a little bit of space. We'll make a couple little points, and then we're just going to curve this down. Over here, I'm going to make this line come out. I'm going to make an oval shape right here. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little circle shapes. I'm going to bring this line down with some points and back in. And we'll do a little zigzag shape here. Now right here, I'm going to make 2 little lines that come up. And I'm going to make some bumps across here for some ice cream. We'll make a circle shape here. We'll do another circle shape here. And then we'll do a little bump here for a cherry with a stem. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to be kind of pointed. And then same thing here. Come out. It's kind of pointed. We'll make a zigzag line across and another zigzag line across. We'll bring this up and up, and we'll do a little curve here. Now for the feet, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come around and up, and then same thing here. We're going to go out and down, curve around and up. Then I'm going to make a couple little curves here for some toes. Same thing, curve here, and then curve here for some toes. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cute cartoon Yeti. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.